Hello everyone. Today's video about an interesting mathematical method, Monte Carlo simulation. Monte Carlo simulation is a mathematical method in stochastics or probability theory for estimating the possible results of an uncertain event. Basis is that the relative distribution of random results approaches the theoretical probability the more often the process is repeated. The famous example of Monte Carlo simulation is estimation of pi. You can find many examples about it online. First, we have a circle with radius 1. The corresponding square is that with edge length 2. Area of circle is pi multiplied by radius squared. Radius is 1. The surface of circle is equal to pi. Right side or square, surface is 4. The ratio of surface of circle and surface of square is pi divided 4. So is pi is equal to 4 times ratio. These are geometric conditions. For my Excel calculation, I use a quarter circle. Generate 1000 points, x and y, in the range 0 and 1. With these points, the ratio is equal to the number of points inside the circle divided total number of points, 1000 points. To check is the random point inside the circle or not, we use if conditionals. If sum of squares of x and y is less than or equal to 1, then this point is inside the circle, because our radius is 1. I go in the Excel and first create quarter circle diagram. Angle from 1 to 19 degrees. Then create a radian of the angle. I use Excel in German language, so I have yellow translate notes with translate of command in English. Here you can see the German and English commands for radians. No points for circle L ready. We create diagram. Here is my quarter circle. In this diagram I generate random points. We generate 1000 points. I create the first number of points, 1, 2, 3. After this I select 1000 cells, F5 to F1004. With option autofill, I fill data automatically. Test, you can see it is 1000 number. Next, generation random number in range 0 and 1 with command run between for x and y points. After this, press the key Ctrl Shift End. The cells are selected to the last used cells. After this, with keys Ctrl and D, this key combination copies the active cells downwards to the end of the selections. With if conditions, we check random points in cycle. If the sum of x to the power of 2 and y to the power of 2 is less than or equal to 1, then the value is 1. Otherwise, the value is 0. Value 1 is true and value 0 is false. With press Ctrl, Shift and copy to last cell's if conditions. I add random points in diagram, only points without lines. With F9 you can generate new points. No, I need only points inside of circle. Multiply all points with if conditions. We get only true points, because multiplication with 0 is 0. Add points inside of circle in diagram. All points have red color and points inside of circle green color. After this we can calculate the ratio between all points and points inside of circle. With command sum, I sum the true values. Total points are 1000. Ratio is points inside of circle divided of total points. And pi is 4 multiplied ratio. Alternative, we can use average of true points. It is the same whole ratio. It was for today. You can find link to download of this Excel in video description. Bye bye.